up, hands side, hands down. Stability, attention. Stability, attention. To provide some information, I'd like to welcome my vice principal.
Thank you, Sujana. Hands cover up. Cover up. Inside. Sarvani Gautam, go a little bit back. Why do you want to go nearby this Diwali? Hands up. Stretch your hands. Hands side. Hands down. Stand it. I nearly got confused. How many Rudraksha malas and tikas and flowers should be prepared, right? But today is nobody's birthday. Is anybody's birthday today? Whose birthday is today? So nobody's. Actually, we had already informed to come in beautiful dress. So they look really amazing. Handsome boys and beautiful girls, right? Alright, so today is the last day of second term examination. We will try to complete the examination before 2. Is that clear? And afterwards there is small program. So class 4 to 7, your main exam will begin by 12. That means you have to eat tiffin after 11:30. Is that clear? Class 4 to 7, your tiffin time is 11:30 and 4 to 8, not only 7, 4 to 8, and 9 and 10, your tiffin time is 10:30. At first there is minor exam, afterwards have your tiffin and attend in your major examinations. Within 2, we will complete the work of all those examinations. Then, all the students, they will be making line here in the ground in systematic order. We will celebrate mini Dasai now. Actually, main Dasai, it falls on 7th of Kartik. At that time you will not be here. So we thought why not to celebrate at school as well. We have already grown Jamara and we will manage some red tika and there will be some sort of gift to you. Some gift will be done by you. Some gifts you can have also, if there is possible. We will have some. We will provide something as well. And after getting tika, jamara, and blessings, and not only that, you will get greeting cards also. Then you can go home and enjoy the vacation. But vacation also contains many more creative works as well. So you have to focus on that. Only rote learning doesn't matter. If you focus on creative work, one day you can give your introduction as the creative person. So creative persons can change the society and the world. Attention. Cover up. Every hands cover up. Sarvani will put it back and stretch your hands. Ellie. Hands side. Hands up. Clap together. In an order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Come on. Whatever. Today they are not producing with loud sound. Yes, wonderful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.